Hi, welcome back to PageFly Common Issues series. In today's video, I'll guide you through 3 most common error notifications that our PageFly users frequently face and a quick solution on how to fix it. They are: page size limit, unable to import your data, unknown error. First up, page size limit. When you try to publish your page, you get this error message. This happens because your page is currently containing too many elements. To fix this, simply delete unused elements, or look for elements you hid with the eye icon and delete them instead of hiding them. Additionally, you can reduce the size of images and videos used on your page, too. Then, publish your page again and it should be good to go now. Next up, unable to import data error. When you try to import data like your products for other stores, you encounter this error message. This is because your data file has no content. Please double check your file before uploading and make sure it's not at 1 byte or lower. Here's how I'll have a fully functioning PageFly page file and import it into PageFly with ease. And finally, unknown error. This error message pops up in various circumstances and it does not have a universal solution. In this case, don't worry. Please reach out to our 24/7 live chat support in the bottom left of your screen so that we can assist you further. And not just for this error, you can pretty much contact us at any time if you encounter any issue. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe us on YouTube channel to get more new videos. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is available via live chat 24/7 to assist you with any issues you might encounter.